Hello guys, it's me again, Paul, aka the Version Angel, and I'm here again today with another of my videos. This time it's gonna be another unboxing video, just here spreading Gunpla love, and just wanted to share with you guys my latest Gunpla haul for the new year. So I know I haven't had any whip videos or any whip updates as of late, but now that I have this kit, hopefully this is gonna push me to finish my other pending kits to work on, because now that I got this kit, I'm really excited to work on this one. So I got this kit yesterday, and this video is to show you guys what it is. Alright, so this is the box. I got the kit yesterday. I dropped by at Great Toys. This is the store owned by one of our GMAC bros, Malvin Lim, and I just have to say, thumbs up, Great Toys. I mean, it was another very nice transaction. You can get great stuff in this store, and this is one of the stores that I normally buy my Gunplas at. I pre-ordered the kit last week, and I got an SMS last Friday, this Friday, saying that the kit was already available. So that was quick, and yeah, without further ado, I know some of you guys have an idea what this kit is, but let's just take it away from the packaging and show you guys what it is. So for 2012, this would probably be my major Gunpla therapy. I got myself the full armor Unicorn Gundam Furka. It's Furka because it was designed by Hajime Katoki, and just like any Furka Master Grade, you would notice the box it's very similar. Okay, so it's, if you bought any Furka kits, just like the Sinanju, the first Unicorn, the Wing Furka, you know that this box, it's very familiar. So the box is very nice. It's very fat, really. It's fat. Let me just try to get you guys a comparison here. So yeah, that's the box, side by side with my 007 swords, and it's just about the same length, but if you compare the thickness, okay, you can see that the full armor box has a lot of trees inside of it, so it's really fat, and that's what you can expect. There's gonna be a lot of parts. So quick view, we got here a picture of the full armor Gundam. This is a I think it's a story Gundam Unicorn, and the very bottom, just check that. Okay, it's sort of promoting the manga. Okay, at the side you see the head. On the other side you would see the different gimmicks that the kit would give you. Okay, as other than the armaments, actually the reason that this kit for me was a must-have. It's also for I don't know how to pronounce it, but I think it's called the Jabier unit. So that unit, it's like a spacecraft or a spaceship that the Unicorn rides on. It's very reminiscent of the Arnor Gundam, and I would bet that the developers of this kit got that idea from it, since the Unicorn Gundam, it's the lead for that series. RX-72 RX-78-2 was the lead with the original one. They came up with the Arnor, which had like a spacecraft thingy that he rides on. So I'm guessing that that's where the idea came from. But anyways, let me just open the box, show you guys what's inside. Okay, I'll just get my hobby knife here and open it to show you guys. Okay, let's open this baby. Okay, so yeah, there you go. Look at that. Okay, we got the manual here. Very nice, very nice. It's kind of just zooming in on the head here, and the rest of the background, it's like all faded out, showing the unicorn. Like, it looks like it's swooshing in space, you know, really fast. That's why the background's all blurred except the head. Okay, so we got the manual here, and let's just check the page number. So if you can see that, if my camera can focus a bit. Okay, sorry about that, but yeah, if you can see that the manual has 39 pages, so god, 39 pages, that's gonna be a long build. So this is, yeah, the part of the manual showcasing the Jabier, I mean, whatever the unit's called, the ship that, or the craft that Unicorn rides on. It's pretty nice because it's colored, and there's two units here that maybe it's showing a pre-design of the ship, but yeah, basically nice manual. I like it, showing you up front when you turn the page up front how the kit would gonna look like, and all the armaments that you're gonna get. So check that. Alright, look at that. The runners are from letters A to Z. What the? Okay. I'm sure that this kit is probably the first master grade to have runners that run from A to Z. I know the EXS, that's one big ass kit also, that the runners for that kit only runs up to letter O, but this baby, it's from A to Z. So what else do we got here? Okay, we got a promo poster. Okay, I like getting additional stuff like that. Okay, let's start with the runners. We got the decals here. We got white parts. Okay, we got the normal standard decals, and the blue one, I doubt that that's gonna be water slide. No, it's not water slide. It's the normal decal. This is gonna be hard. The white decal you see here are dry transfers. So if you're not used to using dry transfers, I would suggest you just buy, or you wait for wet transfer decals. I'm sure Bandai will have those. Right. So that's one plastic for runner. We got two for the frame, gray. We got the pink beam sabers, also gray. More internals. That's three. We got a semi gunmetal color runners for the bazookas. You get two. That's four. More parts here. Green stuffs, red stuffs. Okay. 5. And the green inner frame. Okay. If you've seen the marketing pictures of this kit, black light, it's sort of kind of glow. I don't know if that's true, but yeah. White stuff, armor. Okay, nice. So you would be getting the I think the normal horn for the unicorn mode, and one for the destroy mode. So it's like the same thing, it's interchangeable. Got blue here. More white stuff, gray, see more. For the Gatling guns. Okay, I mean, some people would buy this kit just for the guns. I mean, some people would just get the kit, build it as a normal Unicorn Gundam, and just get the guns for it. This kit really has a lot of guns, you know. Alright. And yeah, this is actually what I was curious about. The parts to make the jabber system. Okay, so just to give you an idea. Alright, the thrusters you put at the back. At the picture you would think that, yeah, it's big, but up until you see just how big the thrusters are, would you get the full understanding how massive the FA Unicorn is. So that's how big the thrusters are, and that's gonna be attached to the backpack, so it's gonna be really big. That's fun. That's really gonna be fun. Anyways, let's just spread this all out so you can get a picture of the parts of this kit. Alright, so that's the plastic and all the runners all spread out, and if you can see, damn, that's a lot. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 plastics with runners from A to Z. So yeah, that's gonna be hard putting back onto the box, because the box is just, I think it's too small. Bandai could have given you a much longer box to fit all of these runners. So there you go. I'm just awestruck right now at the amount of parts, the details this kit has. This is gonna be the biggest kit that I'm gonna be working on. It's not gonna be soon, so just to set the expectations, I won't be working on this. I'll probably warm up first on my gunpla by working on my 007 swords, but 2012 FA Unicorn, that's gonna be the major gunpla therapy for the Version Angel. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I didn't cut it into half anymore because I'm too lazy to edit it. So I know it's long, but I really think that this kit deserves that length for that. So I hope anybody's planning to get this. Okay, good luck. I hope you got the kit. It's really fun just looking at the parts. And as always, this is Paul, aka the Version Angel, signing off. More power, guys. Bye.